Windows keeps switching to the recommended resolution. How to fix? Now, when you right click on an empty space on your home screen on Windows and then you go towards your display settings. On the display settings, let's say you have turned on custom DPI setting or custom scaling, but what happens is that after a certain while under the display resolution, it automatically gets switched to the recommended ones. Now, the thing over here is that the reason it gets switched to the recommended one is that you might have set a custom factor that your display does not support. For example, if you have a 1080p display tab, you will see recommended next to a 1080p one, because if you switch between any of those, it is going to cause distortion on your screen. But there are still a couple of things that you can do. You can just try to go to the advanced display section, and here you can see a couple of options. You can also choose a refresh rate only that your computer supports to the maximum ones, and if you want to get help, then you can also click on the get help section. The other thing I'd recommend you do is simply open your search bar and go to device manager. Once you go to device manager, you will see this type of options here. What we are going to do is simply look for an option known as display adapters. Depending upon how many display adapters you have, right click on it, click on the update driver and search automatically for drivers. Repeat the process for the other ones as well. And then after that, last but not the least, I would also recommend you go to your settings, Windows Update, check if you have any sort of Windows Update. Even if it's a minor one, then only try to go ahead and then basically switch and update and restart your PC. But the display resolution is nothing to worry about, because the recommended one is basically just the one that your computer supports. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.